Friends, welcome to Prakash Tarot Card Reader. Thanks for taking your time out and watching the video. If you like the video, please do subscribe. Thank you. Hello friends, how will be the year 2022 for movie stars? Now in this reading I had also included a reading for Shehnaz Gill, girlfriend of late Siddharth Shukla, because I had received lots and lots of messages, especially from female fans of Shehnaz Gill, to do a reading on her personal and professional life. So I had included a reading for Shehnaz Gill for her personal and professional life here. Then these are the cards for Ajay Devgan, Akshay Kumar, and the two Khans, Amir Khan, Salman Khan. So I'll start with Ajay Devgan. Now this is the present. Looks like he has faced some deceit. Something has been stolen from him. These are the cards for professional life of these people. So professionally, maybe some kind of script has been stolen from him, or the release date of movie, something like that has happened. So present, he must be very much annoyed. But first half of 2022 looks very good. If he is releasing any of his movie will do very well, certainly. And second half is more better than first half. So again, year 2022 is going to be very good for Ajay Devgan. Then Akshay Kumar. Now looks like he is doing all the hard work. But if any movie releasing in the year 2022 first half, that will struggle professionally. First half of 2022 is he will be struggling, but in second half again things are going to improve, and mostly he will be working. If he is releasing any movie with some seasoned director or producer or big production house in the second half, then movie will do well. First half struggle, fighting, second half success. Then Amir Khan. Present looks murky. He's not very happy. But then second, first half of 2022. Now this card indicates that I can see some gains, but not huge gains. Now his movie Lal Singh Chaddha will be releasing in first half of 2022. If that happens, he should not expect huge gains like his movies had done earlier, like PK or other movies. This movie will not do that great. Lal Singh Chaddha, if released before 30th of June 2022. Second half, temperance card. So again, he will have to do certain compromises. All in all, not a very good year for film Abhineta Amir Khan. Then film Abhineta Salman Khan. Present looks good. First half slow moving. Second half ups and downs. A kind of average year ahead for Salman Khan. Not very good, not very bad also. His movies, if released in the year 2022, will do okay or better than okay, but not great. So here only this year 2022 looks like year of Ajay Devgan when it comes to movies, and not taken into consideration other stars, other film abhinetas like Ayushman Khurrana or Ranveer Singh or Ranbir Kapoor. These are the four top people, and I had also not taken into consideration Shah Rukh Khan. But yes, out of these four, Ajay Devgan is will do very well. Now, Shehnaz Gill. Shehnaz Gill on professional front present looks at present world card. So it's kind of a new start for her. Now looks like she has made up her mind. You can check out my previous predictions on Shehnaz Gill. Till now it has happened ditto what I had predicted. Now again in December looks like she is going to start, but here first half devil card. So looks like again she has not come out of that trauma, and she will take some time. But yes, second half looks very good for her. Second half, in second half looks like she will get some good projects or good response for whatever she will do in her professional life. First half will be below average for her. Then her personal life again presently satisfied, but again this card personal life looks like some taking some wrong decisions, confused how to go about it, what to do, something like that, confusion. Again in second half, hangman card. So all in all, I can see her personal life in mess in the year 2022. Just going through the days when it comes to personal life, दिन निकालना है, क्या करें, किधर जाएं, कैसे आगे बढ़ें, कुछ समझ में नहीं आ रहा है. ठीक है. But when it comes to professional life, yes, second half at least she will get moving in her professional life. Personal life, total mess in the year 2022 for Shehnaz Gill. So that's it for now. I'll coming up with few more videos on movie stars, especially South stars like Yash or Allu Arjun, and then Junior NTR, and son of that Ram Charan, son of famous South movie star, and Mohanlal. Yes, I'll include him also. I love his movies, so I'll include all these top South stars in that reading. So if you people want anyone, people, especially people from South, if you want to for a reading for any other specific star, do let me know. I'll include that also. Thank you.